So we are doing filters today. Air and cab. Dad got the oil changed on this tractor. I just put the air filter in. And we also got the cab filter on. New drawbars on. Remember the other one broke last fall and we had a spare. We finally got the new one in. We've had it for probably a couple of months now. And then the pin back there, we just put a new one of those in there too, because on our other 4450, that pin broke 2 years ago chopping corn. And yeah, figured it's the original pin, replace it before it breaks, and all hell breaks loose. But better safe than sorry, I guess. This is also a genuine John Deere one. We didn't get the aftermarket one. Aftermarket probably would have been better, but like I said, we don't want shit to break, especially on the highway. So, especially a full load of corn, that'd be a disaster. So, there's the filter off the 4440. See how black it is. New versus old. We don't blow our filters out, we just replace them. You probably could get by, but supposedly they rip when you blow them out. So, and you can never get them perfect. So that goes up in here. The inners we don't replace all the time. We replaced that one last year. So we replace them every 2-3 years, I guess. But these every year. So boom, just like that. It's on. I cleaned this out too. There was a little bit in there, but yeah. Here's the old inner filter. Here's a new one. They're blue. Oh, the tractor's getting new tires here in a little bit. Instead of fixing it, tires that look like this, they're just getting new ones. Not the first time they've gone flat. They got some tread left, but they're the old style. These are bias tires. One's Firestone, I think one's like Harvest King or something. But we're getting 2 new Firestone 23-degree tires. So yeah, before planting. Radials. There's some new tires on here. Firestones. 23-degree, 18.4, 34s. Not 34, 38. Look pretty damn good on here, if I say so myself. Not bad. Got that tire off the corner planter. Keeps going flat, so we're gonna get her fixed. I think we're just gonna get a new tire actually, so I don't have any problems planting. See, it's all correct. So I just got a new tire. Got the manure spreader off that tractor. All the manure pits are empty, and we got the duals on the 50. This tractor's 100% ready to go. Greased, all filters changed, oil changed, drawbar on, duals on. All you gotta do is back up to something, drop the pin, she's ready to go in the field. So, yeah. Only tractor ready right here. Well, the seat on the 4440 broke, so I had to unbolt it. That bolt, and the bolt in this corner are easy. That one sucked. You gotta get here and there, and you gotta stand on your head in that corner to get to it. But I got it. Now I gotta pull the thing out of the door, sit on the bench, and show you what's wrong and continue taking it apart. So, I've taken these out of the door before. They're kind of pain in the ass. Surprisingly, there wasn't that much stuff back here. We got alfalfa seed, a bunch of old crusty shit. I need to vacuum this out before I put the seed in. Well, it's easy. But I did find a Mountain Dew. Get this shit out of here. Show you what's wrong with the seat. There's two things wrong with it. One, probably could have been fixed in the cab. This piece, this back piece, just flops all over hell and it never locks. I gotta fix that, which wasn't the biggest issue. This bar locks in, adjustable, and it just constantly slides. So we just fixed this like last year and I guess it broke again. So basically when you go down a hill, you'll go flying forward into the dash, and then when you go up a hill, you'll slide right in the back window. And you can't set the seat, it'll just constantly be sliding. So we literally just fixed this last summer too. So that kind of sucks. I think it's the same problem, but we'll find out. So there's this whole piece under here. There's 4 bolts on the seat. You take that off, which is this. And then you got to slide this thing out of these bars. And there's 2 bolts that hold this on. And right here, right at the tip of my thumb, there's supposed to be a piece of metal which is broke off. And it sticks into those teeth in there to keep your seat from sliding like this. And there's the problem. So same thing broke on it last year. And then 2 years ago on the 4450 it broke, but that one stayed fixed. So 3rd time, 2 years. First time is acceptable, but this one didn't last very long. That kind of sucks. So I just need this whole new thing. You can see the bolts are blue from still being new last year. Oh well. Park this tractor in the shed with no seat. It'll work. So I figured out the problem with the backrest. This pin is supposed to go in this groove in here. Well, it looks like it got broke out plastic. So need to put it back in and adjust it out of that groove. This right here does your tilt, and that wasn't working. This thing needs to be in that groove, but it's made out of plastic, so it just broke right through. And I doubt you can just get the new plastic, so I don't even know how you would get it out of there. These screws probably. You gotta take the seatbelt thing off. I don't know. Or maybe I could stick something in there. JB weld it. I don't know. That kind of sucks. Between it sliding forward and backwards and the backrest flopping around, it's not the best ride. This has been broken for, I don't know, quite a while. So yeah. Now this part of the video is getting long, but I went ahead and took this little plastic piece out. It's just 1 Allen bolt on the seat belt, and then just 3 little screws. I doubt we can get this part, but if we can't, taking it out makes it easier to fix. So probably just put like a washer on the back side and then JB weld it to it to keep it in the track. I don't see no part number on it, so I doubt it. But we're going to John Deere tomorrow, so we'll see what it is. Or maybe I'll just fix it right now and be done with it. So I don't know. That little thing, plastic right there, is what screwed this whole seat up. So well, screwed the back end. The stuff you find under seats. I didn't even look underneath here. I have not seen, this used to be my hat like way back in the day, like 5-6 years ago. Went missing, never to be seen again. There it is. Underneath the seat, smashed all to hell. Junk, bungee cord still stuck underneath there. Lunch bags, all kinds of lunch bags. I don't even know what the hell that is. Eating everything underneath the seat. Introducing the new seat from John Deere. High quality backrest and everything. Let's go farming. Well, next day, got some parts for the seat, new slider thing, and they also had a new piece of plastic in here. And there's also a little square of plastic that's supposed to go over this. That's probably the reason this one broke, is because that piece went missing. So get this back together. Would you look at that? It works. Got her all fixed up, put her on a fuel tank and tried her out. The backrest seems to be going. After the last clip, when I did the back, it popped out. So what I did is I put 3 washers on this side to try to get this thing over more, and it seemed to do the trick, I hope. Well, I got the seat in. That was the biggest pain in the ass ever to get these 2 back bolts. That one wasn't as bad, but that one really sucked. Just stand on your head to get it started, which takes forever, but got her in, and I hope I never have to do it again. I'll probably end this maintenance video. It's been the last couple days of stuff, so one of these days when it gets warmer, we're going to change oil in the other tractors, and hopefully we can get in the field sometime soon. If it stopped being cloudy and raining all the time, we probably could.